In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pages in Live View in Dreamweaver. Live View is your on-canvas, browser-like preview inside Dreamweaver that lets you interact with your page as it will appear to visitors. It's different from a flat mock-up because styles and client-side behavior are rendered so you can see updates exactly where they happen. With your page open in Dreamweaver, look toward the top of the document window for the Live View button. Click it, and Dreamweaver switches from Design View to a live browser preview. You're now looking at your page as it actually behaves, but you can still make direct edits without jumping around between panels. Once you're in Live View, one of the most useful abilities is editing text right on the page. Click into a heading, paragraph, or any editable text area and start typing. This is great for quickly refining wording or fixing typos because you see spacing, line breaks, and wrapping exactly as your visitors will. When you need formatting, use the property bar to apply bold or italics, adjust alignment, or create a link. Selecting text and applying a link from the property bar is especially helpful because you can immediately see how linked text looks in context and confirm it matches your design. Images are just as straightforward. Click an image in Live View and the Quick Property Inspector appears with options for its source and attributes. Updating the source lets you point the image to a different file, while the attributes allow you to refine details like alt text. Alt text isn't just a checkbox. It improves accessibility and helps screen readers describe your image, so keep it concise and meaningful. If you need to adjust the size, use the related fields in the inspector to set dimensions that align with your layout, and watch the result update instantly on the canvas. When it's time to add something new, use the Insert panel and drag elements straight into Live View. Drop in a heading, a paragraph, or another image exactly where you want it, and Dreamweaver shows you the placement as you drag. This keeps your focus on the page itself instead of switching to a separate interface for layout. It's a smooth way to expand a section or introduce a new bit of content while maintaining the visual flow. As you work, Live View refreshes immediately, so every tweak to text, formatting, images, or inserted elements appears right away. That immediate feedback helps you make confident decisions without guesswork. And that's the power of editing in Live View: precise, visual, and fast, all within the familiar Dreamweaver workspace.